welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been filming a lot of like reviews lately, but this one is from Satisfactorystore on Instagram, and she asked me to trade with her, and I was like, yes girl, I will trade with you. So the first thing I see on top is this note, and it says, thank you so much for reviewing my slime. I sent you Grapelicious, birthday cake popcorn, and pastel popcorn from Grace. And this is like her slime care card, and I really like her logo. Got some candies, some of this tiny jelly bird eggs, some sweet tarts, this, I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, it's a balloon that inflates. That's pretty cool. And then this squishy, super slow rising. So we agreed to send each other 3 slimes. Oh, I think there's a lollipop. So sent an eraser and some borax. So she sent 3 6-ounce slimes, and unfortunately this is the only one that did not arrive cracked. But this one spilled a little bit because it cracked on the side. And then this one's cracked on the bottom, but it didn't leak at all. But I know that's not her fault because she did wrap everything and put it in a box, which I don't really get why it cracked. And I don't really know which one is which because there aren't any labels. But we'll see. As I said, her logos are super cute and I love them. It has some marshmallow beads and some rainbow foam beads in it. This one smells like birthday cake. It smells really good. The base is very, very nice. And this one is pastel popcorn. This one has a blue base with some pastel foam beads and marshmallow beads with some glitters on the bottom. This one is so pretty. I don't know if this one is scented. I don't really smell anything. So this is overall a really nice slime. I really like the color combination of everything, and I just overall really like it. And this last slime is called Grapelicious, and it's a purple base with some purple foam beads. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. It smells just like a grape Laffy Taffy. It doesn't have that like grape medicine smell. This one actually smells like grape candy. Oh my gosh, look at those bubbles. Oh my god. The The base is so thick. So I think this is probably my favorite slime because it smells so good, just like Great Laffy Taffy, and the base is super thick. I think this is the thickest of them all. So overall, I would rate Satisfactorystore a 10 out of 10. I really liked all of the slimes. You guys should definitely check out their Instagram. I'll leave it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!